Hi, I'm Jimmy and I work for Ronseal. Me and my colleagues at Ronseal have created loads of content to help you get the DIY done as quickly and as painlessly as possible. So we're going to prove to you that it does exactly what it says on the tin. In this video, we're going to talk to you about how to restore your deck. This video is perfect for you if you've got an old deck that's not been coated, maybe it's gone a bit grey and you need to bring some life back to it. If your deck has been coated, then perhaps you want to check out one of our other videos which might be more suitable to you. Begin by removing any debris with a stiff brush. Swap to a paintbrush and apply the restorer generously, focusing on 3 or 4 boards at a time. After 15 minutes, scrub with your stiff brush before rinsing off with clean water. One coat should be all you need, but if your decking is very weathered, you may need another. It's best to leave your deck for 48 hours before staining, as you need it bone dry. Congratulations, you've finished your job, but you need to clean your tools. Just wash your brushes in warm soapy water and you're done. Using Ronseal's decking restore on your deck isn't going to give it the protection it needs. So once you've brought the colour and life back to your deck, make sure you go over it in one of our oils, stains or paints to keep it protected. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.